welcome you to another episode of Aditya Talks. And today we have Mr. Kamal Deora on our show. And welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you.
Well, sir, the sir he is a very innovative and is a very good person. He runs an initiative which we are going to learn more about in the future. Stay tuned till the end. It's going to be a very interesting episode, my friends. So, sir, let's begin
Yeah.
with your story. Please tell us about your story
Okay.
from beginning to now. How did you become what you
Yes.
are?
Right. So basically, I am a businessman involved in textile business. My company's name is Sri Shantosh Textile, and we are located in Surat, Gujarat, and we are a 32-year-old company. I am doing this business for last 22 years. Is it okay I communicate in English
Yes, yes, sir.
completely? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So I am involved in this business for last 22 years, and I do my business with my two of elder brothers, and I live in a joint family. I'm married. I have a beautiful daughter, Palak, and a son, Sayyam. So that is what about me from my career side. I completed my graduation and post-graduation in 2000 and 2002. And since then, I am a businessman. And when I was in my childhood, I was very clear that I am going to build my career in business only. And the reason behind that was freedom of time, freedom of decision making, freedom of taking risk. That is what I wanted to be in my life. And for that, when I was child in my late 10th standard or secondary and higher secondary, I always thought कि मैं job नहीं करूँगा. I will not be a salaried person. Rather, I will go for my business. And since I had a business background, my father is a businessman, my grandfather also was a businessman. So it was very easy for me to be in business, to get what is needed and required to be a businessman. And risk taking was my passion. And I built my businesses from uh, some 1 2 crore to 10 20 crore in 2014-15, and then I grew exponentially to little 100 crores in 2020-21. So that was my journey of business. But what I want to share with you on this platform, what I want to talk to you about is not my business. It is about the social startup which I am taking care of, which I am taking initiative of. And that social startup is known as Progress Club. So we are going to talk about Progress Club today. How did this platform was started? How does it makes a difference to people's life? And what is the modus operandi? How does it works? So that is what I would like to share with you, with the world and the people who are watching this video.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the brief overview of the video, and thank you for telling us about giving us your description briefly. Thank you. And now let's get on with the interview.
Yeah.
Um, Please tell us about, as you mentioned, Progress Club. What is it, and how does
Yeah.
it work, and what is the structure of it?
Right. So Progress Club is a social startup. It's a non-profit motive organization which is built for 360-degree growth of entrepreneurs. And when I say 360-degree growth of entrepreneurs, it includes all the aspects of the life and business of an entrepreneur. We as a businessman or an entrepreneur are dealing with so many issues in our business. Issues like sales growth, issues like profit growth, issues like expansion of business, issues like staff and team management, issues like payment collection, issues like working capital management, issues like payables. These are so many issues which we face as a businessman in our day to day life. And Progress Club contributes to entrepreneurs in dealing with these aspects powerfully.
Yes.
That is how it contributes to entrepreneurs. But when we say 360-degree, then it does not limit its contribution in entrepreneurs' life only to business. We also makes a difference in the areas of entrepreneurs like courage, confidence, fear, decision making, relationship, health, and so many other areas. So that is how it works for 360-degree growth of entrepreneurs. And as I said you, it's a non-profit motive organization. This organization is managed by the entrepreneurs itself. And the entrepreneurs who are managing it, who are taking the lead, who are taking the leadership in contributing to people's life, are not paid a single rupees. Nobody takes a single rupee to his pocket. That is the beauty of Progress Club. It is an organization of for the people, of the people, and by the people in a true sense. The basic ideology or the philosophy of this organization is let's grow together. And when I say let's grow together, then there is a phenomena from which this ideology has developed. हमने देखा होगा कि 5000 साल पहले there was a sentence we used to listen from our forefathers, that is Vasudev Kutumbakam. पूरी धरती ही मेरा परिवार है, पूरी धरती ही मेरा साम्राज्य है, मेरी फैमिली है. But today we see in the modern world people have narrown that context of living to his family. एक एंटरप्रेन्योर खाली यही सोचता है कि मेरा सेल बढ़ जाए, मेरा प्रॉफिट बढ़ जाए, मैं सुखी हो जाऊं, मेरा ग्रोथ हो जाए. ही इज नॉट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ अदर्स ऑल्सो. What about the growth of your friend? What about the growth of your cousins? What about the growth of your neighbor? वो किसका जवाबदारी है? And here comes the Progress Club. सिर्फ मेरा भला हो जाए, सिर्फ मैं आगे बढ़ जाऊं, ऐसा नहीं है. It's my responsibility that the business of my cousins, my neighbor, my friend has to grow. And that's how Progress Club works. Now, how does it works is कि हम ये जानते हैं कि भगवान ने सबको सब कुछ नहीं दिया है, लेकिन किसी न किसी को कुछ ना कुछ जरूर दिया है. एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग हमारे पास कुछ क्वालिटी तो होती ही है. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल, सम ऑफ द एंटरप्रेन्योर्स आर गुड इन सेल्स. कोई एंटरप्रेन्योर सेल्स में अच्छा होता है. समवन इज गुड एट फाइनेंसेस, कोई फाइनेंस में अच्छा है. समवन इज गुड एट मैन मैनेजमेंट, कोई मैन मैनेजमेंट में अच्छा है. सो इन दिस प्रोग्रेस क्लब, the aspect of the entrepreneur which one of the entrepreneur is dealing with is supported and contributed by the other entrepreneurs. मान लीजिए मेरा सेल्स अच्छा है और सामने वाले का फाइनेंस अच्छा है और मेरा फाइनेंस वीक है, तो मैं उसको सेल्स के बारे में बता दूंगा, मैं उसको सेल्स में सपोर्ट कर दूंगा और वो मुझे फाइनेंस में सपोर्ट कर देगा. दिस इज हाउ वी एज अ प्रोग्रेस क्लब वर्क्स फॉर एंटरप्रेन्योर. This is the philosophy where one entrepreneur stand with the other entrepreneur shoulder to shoulder, without any profit motive, without any hidden agenda. We contribute to the growth of entrepreneur's life. So that's how it works, Aditya.
Yes. So it is basically it's a very interesting sort of a club where people support each other and try look out for each other. It's like a wolf pack, right?
Exactly.
Wolves move in
Right.
a one pack. They hunt,
Yes.
and it's very interesting. Thank you,
Right.
sir, for sharing. That was very interesting to hear that about your very interesting social enterprise. What are the areas do you cover in your club, and
Yeah.
and how do you ensure everyone grows? If one falls behind, how do you make sure he is also on the same level as those other top performers?
Right. Right. So first of all, I want to make it clear for everyone who is going through this interview or one who will watch this video is that this organization is completely for entrepreneurs only. Those who are risk takers, they can only join this organization. And we cover majority of the aspects, majority of the areas which an entrepreneur or a businessman is dealing with. Majority, mostly we as an entrepreneur deals in sales, profit, revenues. So we cover sales, profit, revenues. Also we cover working capital management, we cover loans and installments. हम देखते हैं कि एक बिजनेसमैन अपनी कमाई का अधिकतर हिस्सा आज के टाइम में बैंक्स को दे रहा है, लोन जिनसे लोन लिया वो उनको दे रहा है. He is investing his hard efforts in paying installments. We take care of an entrepreneur's efforts not to be gone to bank, but उसको खुद के लिए कमाना चाहिए. That is the one area we look after. Another areas, as I said, we look after health issues, we look after issues like courage, confidence. जैसे मान लीजिए कि एक एंटरप्रेन्योर को अपने बिजनेस का एक्सपांशन करना है. नाउ ही नोज कि क्या क्या मुझे एक्शन लेना है, कौन से एक्शन से क्या क्या रिजल्ट आएगा. ही नोज एवरीथिंग, बट स्टिल वी आर स्टक. बहुत सारे बार ऐसा होता है कि हम फिर भी आगे नहीं बढ़ पाते. वी कांट मूव फॉरवर्ड बिकॉज ऑफ द डाउट्स, because of the concerns we have. And as a Progress Club, we work in a team, we make the action plan, we declare our actions for the next 15 days. As we meet every 15 days, we have a meeting scheduled every 15 days of the month. महीने में हम लोग 2 बार मिलते हैं. During these meetings, we discuss what are the issues which an entrepreneur is dealing with. हम लोग पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में बात नहीं करते, हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने क्या गलत किया, क्या सही किया, हम उसके बारे में बात नहीं करते. हमारे इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम के कैप्टन को किसको रखना चाहिए, किसको नहीं रखना चाहिए, हम उसके बारे में बात नहीं करते. वी ओनली टॉक अबाउट आवर ओन बिजनेस. मुझे मेरे बिजनेस में क्या करना चाहिए और अगले 15 दिन में मैं क्या करने वाला हूं, दैट इज व्हाट आई हैव टू डिक्लेयर इन दोज मीटिंग्स. देन देयर इज एन एक्शन प्लान based on those meetings, and then there is a follow-up structure. There are smaller groups of entrepreneurs called Progress Club. A group of 65 entrepreneurs is termed as one Progress Club. Right now there are 10 plus Progress Clubs running. 65 लोगों का एक समूह होता है, and there are leaders who take care of everybody's business. And then we subdivide that group of people into smaller groups called chains. और 5-5, 6-6 लोगों की चेन होती है. उसके ऊपर एक एंटरप्रेन्योर उसका लीडर होता है. He is the person who takes initiative, who takes stand for the growth of all the people in his chain. उसकी चेन में 5 या 6 लोग जो हैं, उनका उसका स्टैंड होता है. An unconditional commitment to support to the business of those entrepreneurs. And that's how we ensure that nobody is left out. Nobody and nothing is left out. That is how we are committed to deliver to the entrepreneurs.
Yes, sir. आप हमें बता सकते हैं, can you please tell me about, do you have, please tell us about the members. Are they scattered all around India or in a particular state?
Right. So initially ये प्रोग्रेस क्लब की शुरुआत एक ऐसी ही विचारधारा से हुई थी कि क्यों ना हम एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करें. होता क्या है, इन माई अपब्रिंगिंग इन अ बिजनेसमैन फैमिली, मैंने अपनी बिजनेसमैन फैमिली की अपब्रिंगिंग में ये देखा कि अगर मेरा बिजनेस डाउन है, अगर मेरा बिजनेस कम है और मेरे पड़ोसी का बिजनेस बहुत अच्छा है, तो मेरे पास ये फ्रीडम नहीं होता है कि मैं उसको जाके पूछूं कि भैया तुम इतना अच्छा बिजनेस कैसे करते हो, तुम्हारा इतना धंधा अच्छा कैसे चलता है. एंड द बेसिक रीजन बिहाइंड दिस इज, एक तो फियर, लोगों को डर होता है कि यार वो नहीं बताएगा तो, वो ना बोल देगा तो. एंड द सेकेंड इज करेज. हम लोग हिम्मत नहीं जुटा पाते उसके पास जाने की कि यार मेरा ये एरिया कमजोर है, तेरा एरिया ये बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, तू कैसे बिजनेस करता है मुझे बता. और प्रोग्रेस क्लब की इसी विचारधारा पे शुरुआत हुई कि मैं दूसरे के पास जाके पूछूं कि भाई तुम ये बिजनेस इतना अच्छी तरीके से कैसे करते हो, and getting his support. And that's how Progress Club was started with only 8 members in 2013-14. 2013-14 में 8 लोगों ने इसको मिलके शुरू किया. And then people started getting benefits. They started talking to their friends and relatives, and that's how people approaching us कि भाई मेरे को भी इसमें आना है, मेरे को भी इसमें आना है. And then we thought, if this possibility of let's grow together is so powerful, it is so contributing to people's life, तो फिर इसको क्यों ना बढ़ाएं. और इस तरीके से एक के बाद एक हम लोग 10 क्लब तक पहुंच गए. नाउ कम्स 2020 कोविड सिचुएशन. जब कोविड आया तो हमने देखा कि जूम जैसे डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म की मदद से हम लोगों के कनेक्ट रह सकते हैं, वेदर वी कैन नॉट मीट देम फिजिकली. अब ये जूम का ही कमाल है दैट यू सिटिंग इन ग्वालियर एंड मी इन गुजरात, वी आर इन अ क्लोज कॉन्टेक्ट राइट नाउ. सो जब ये सिचुएशन हमारे सामने आई, देन वी डिसाइडेड टू एक्सपांड इट ग्लोबली, not to limit this to Gujarat only. And then we launched Digital Progress Club. Right now we have one Digital Progress Club which was launched last May, and we have 65 members in that digital club, including total 1000 members all over Gujarat and all over India, जिसमें पुणे से, नासिक से, बेंगलोर से, हैदराबाद, मुंबई, जयपुर, वाराणसी, from everywhere across the country and the world, even in Uganda, people have joined us. Entrepreneurs have joined us to contribute to their life and to contribute to others' life also. So that's how it is right now.
That is pretty interesting. So you have you have a global chain of people, and that is some serious progress, sir. And can you please tell me about the social the enterprise you run? How difficult is it to fund such an enterprise? And since it is a non-profit motive organization, how do you run it?
Yeah. So as I said, it's a non-profit motive organization. So there is nothing money involved in this. Yes, we do collect some sort of membership fees for joining this particular organization, and that fees is determined on the basis of the expenses that will be needed and required to conduct physical meetings in some 3-star, 4-star hotel. So the physical expenses needed to arrange those meetings, that is just collected, nothing else. So it's all done and managed by various teams. We have teams in every club. Those teams collect the funds and they manage their club to run it smoothly. That is one part. And the second part is funding. So we don't think as an entrepreneurs we have a major issue of funding such type of organization, because we have people who can investing in this expansion of possibility of let's go together. But right now we haven't thought for having it going for funding any type of or getting some funds to expand it. We as a club itself, we as a family of entrepreneur itself is growing. We take initiative, we go to people, we conduct our introduction sessions, we invite people, and then people join, and that's how we are expanding.
Yes, that is pretty interesting, sir. Please tell me about the principles that you told us about Progress Club, but how did you start it? What principles inspired you to form Progress Club, and please share how many people progressed from it so that viewers can get inspired and join the club.
Right. So the fundamental thought behind creating this Progress Club was my life for some purpose. During 2013-14, I started questioning myself that what is my life about? मैंने बिजनेस कर लिया, मैंने पैसे कमा लिए, I have a happy family, but is that my purpose of life? क्या मेरे को टर्नओवर के बाद टर्नओवर बढ़ाना, प्रॉफिट के बाद प्रॉफिट कमाना, इज दैट ओनली द पर्पस ऑफ मी बीइंग ऑन दिस प्लेनेट? That was the question running in my mind. And then I got the answer that who am I is a possibility of contribution. Who am I is a possibility of making a difference on this planet. And how can I do that? Then I can do that in my full self expression of contributing to entrepreneur's life. And that's how this journey started. The golden rule behind this creation of Progress Club was to make a difference to people's life, to make a difference to thousands and millions of people's life. That's how it was formed. And the fundamental core values where this Progress Club stands is number one, authenticity. People have to be authentic. When we are authentic with people, then people are touched, moved, and inspired. So the one principle is entrepreneurs has to be authentic. वो जो है वही उनको बताना है, जो बता रहे हैं वही उनको होना है. That's how this Progress Club expands. The second one is stand for people. We as an entrepreneur, as a member of this club, stand unconditionally for people's life. उसके बिजनेस के सेल्स के इश्यूज हो, उसके लोन्स एंड इंस्टॉलमेंट्स के इश्यूज हो, उसके प्रॉफिट के इश्यूज हो, उसके टीम वर्क के इश्यूज हो, उसके स्टाफ के इश्यूज हो, any issue, we stand unconditionally. That's the second fundamental principle which is available in Progress Club. And the third one is commitment. Being committed is the obviousness of a Progress Club member. Authenticity, stand, and commitment. These are the principles on which this Progress Club is running. These are the principles which we look after for the members to have in their life such that they can grow themselves, they can grow their businesses, and they can contribute to make a huge difference in people's life. That's the first
Yes.
part. And the second
Yes, sir.
part is the
Yes, sir,
second
please.
part is we as a club has contributed to more than 23 lakh people directly and indirectly. 23 लाख लोगों के जीवन में हमने आज तक बदलाव किया है, प्रत्यक्ष रूप से और परोक्ष रूप से, डायरेक्टली एंड इनडायरेक्टली. When I say directly, then we have contributed to our members in growing their sales. Last year we grew by 40%. हमारे सारे members का एवरेज जो सेल्स है वो 40% ग्रो हुआ despite of the COVID situation. Our profit grew by 70% in last year. We paid 100 crore rupees of loans and installments of the members. Members ने अपने 100 करोड़ रुपए के loans and installments खुद पे किए. That means a saving of 18 crore rupees of interest yearly. That's how we contributed. We also contributed in collecting the long overdue payments of our entrepreneurs by more than 58 crore rupees. We also contributed to staff members of the entrepreneurs who are working in their organization by having staff training sessions for more than 2,000 people. We also contributed by expressing our gratitude and acknowledgement to 5 lakh people directly and indirectly. So that's how we contributed through Progress Club and its activities to people's life.
Yes, that is very good. But as a chief mentor, you get the opportunity to contribute to the life of others. Please define the power of giving and sharing with some interesting stories so that viewers can have a better understanding.
Right. So fundamentally, human being lives in the world of scarcity. हम लोग मूलभूत रूप से स्केर्सिटी की जिंदगी में जीते हैं. स्केर्सिटी, व्हेन आई से स्केर्सिटी, आप उसको हिंदी में ऐसा बोल सकते हो, कम होना, कमी. वी इन गुजराती टोल्ड इट अछत. वी हैव a scarcity. The background conversation of human being behind sharing, behind giving is, अगर मैं किसी को दे दूंगा तो मेरा कम हो जाएगा. जैसे कि आप देखिए कि बचपन में आपके पास एक चॉकलेट थी एंड योर फादर सेड कि इसमें से अपनी बहन को दो, एंड यू हैड टू गिव हाफ टू योर सिस्टर और योर ब्रदर, तो आपके पास कम हो गया, राइट? आपके पास 2 खिलौने थे, आपकी मम्मा ने बोला कि 1 खिलौना अपने छोटे भाई को दो, तो आपने 2 में से 1 दिया, तो आपका कम हो गया. That's how you and me grow up in this world. We grow up in a fundamental world of scarcity, which is not true. Scarcity जैसा कुछ होता नहीं है. We as an entrepreneur also grow in the same world. एक एंटरप्रेनर अपने सप्लायर का नाम दूसरे एंटरप्रेनर्स को नहीं बताता. उसको लगता है मेरा कम हो जाएगा. मैं कैसे धंधा करता हूं वो मैं अपने कॉम्पिटिटर को नहीं बताता. मेरे को लगता है अगर वो जान लेगा तो मेरा कम हो जाएगा. That's how we live in this world. We live in this world fundamentally in scarcity. जबकि reality is there is no scarcity. There is whole lot of abundance on this planet. कुदरत ने बहुत दिया है. When you give to someone, when you share it with someone, magic happens. मेरा तो यहां तक मानना है, अगर आप किसी को कोई चीज देते हो, अगर आप किसी को कोई चीज शेयर करते हो, the nature gives you back more than 100 times. This has happened day to day in my business. Day to day in my business. अगर मैंने किसी को ये सिखाया है कि साहब पेमेंट कैसे मांगना है, तो मेरा इफेक्टिवनेस ऑटोमेटिकली डेवलप हो गया. अगर मैंने किसी को सिखाया कि साहब स्टॉक मैनेज कैसे करना है, द मैजिक हैपेंड इन माय बिजनेस. दैट्स हाउ द रियलिटी इज. बट वी एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग ऐसा नहीं सोचते. हम लोग ऐसा ही सोचते हैं कि अगर मैंने इसको कुछ बता दिया तो मेरा कुछ कम हो जाएगा. And that's the magic of giving. When you give to someone, when you give a smile, you get back the smile. Whatever you give, you get back. वो बोलते हैं ना कि जो आप बोओगे वही आप काटोगे. So when you are in a process of giving, when are you in a process of contributing, the nature take care of your life and business automatically. मैं आपको बताऊं कि जब एज अ मेंटर, जब मैं इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करता हूं, इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए टाइम देता हूं, तो द नेचर टेक केयर ऑफ माय बिजनेस. कुदरत, या जिसको आप भगवान बोल सकते हो, या जिसको आप कोई भी नाम दे दीजिए, इट टेक केयर्स ऑफ योर लाइफ ऑटोमेटिकली. बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर अप टू समथिंग फॉर पीपल, योर लाइफ एंड बिजनेस इज ऑटोमेटिकली टेकन केयर ऑफ. दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ गिविंग. दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटिंग.
Yes, that sir, please tell me your experience is so enriching that I'm feeling it's I feel very inspired, and I hope my viewers you also like what you hear, and it was such an it's so interesting up to now, and stay tuned till the end because you're going to learn a lot more from Mr. Kamal, and he's such a inspiring person. Thank you, sir, once again for coming on our show. And can you please tell me about the formula of abundance and how can we have a feeling of abundance?
Right. Thank you so much for creating this for the viewers. So basically, we have two worlds. One is scarcity and one is abundance. आप देखिए, आप अपने आप को देखिए कि आप पहले, द फर्स्ट थिंग यू नीड टू इज टू गेट विच वर्ल्ड यू आर इन. आप कौन सी दुनिया में हो, ये सबसे पहले आपको पकड़ना है. आप देखोगे सुबह आप उठते हो, आपके पास टाइम की कमी होती है, आपके पास नॉलेज की कमी होती है, आपको जितने पैसे चाहिए उतने पैसे नहीं है, आपको जितना प्रॉफिट चाहिए उतना प्रॉफिट नहीं है, आपको जितनी नॉलेज चाहिए उतनी नॉलेज नहीं है. देयर इज अ होल लॉट ऑफ स्केयरसिटी. यू आर पुटिंग एवरी एफर्ट्स, आप खूब मेहनत कर रहे हो, दौड़ रहे हो, एवरीथिंग यू आर डूइंग, बट स्टिल यू आर नॉट गेटिंग इनफ. आपके पास जितना आपको चाहिए उतना नहीं आ रहा है. I see to the so many people in businesses and in jobs and everywhere that they are struggling, they are working hard, everything, but they are not getting the sufficient which they needed. And the reason is fundamentally वो scarcity के world में. उनके बैकग्राउंड में एक ऐसा ही है कि कम है, कम है, कम है, कम है. नाउ if you want to have magical result, if you want to have results which have never been produced in your life, if you want to have things that have never happened in your life, then you have to shift this world from the world of scarcity to abundance. आपको abundance में जाना पड़ेगा. You have to start creating for yourself कि मेरे पास बहुत सेल है, मेरे पास बहुत प्रॉफिट है, मेरे पास बहुत टाइम है, मेरे पास बहुत है, मेरे कॉन्टेक्ट बहुत है, आई एम सो मच हैप्पी, एवरीथिंग इज इन अबंडेंस, सब कुछ अबंडेंस में है. ऐसा आपको अपनी लैंग्वेज में क्रिएट करना होगा. यू हैव टू स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग दिस, एंड वंस यू क्रिएट द वर्ल्ड ऑफ अबंडेंस, मैजिक स्टार्ट हैपन्स. होता क्या है कि जैसे मान लीजिए क्या पेट्रोल पंप की, यू स्टैंडिंग ऑन अ पेट्रोल पंप एंड आस्किंग फॉर 1 लीटर ऑफ मिल्क, व्हाट विल हैपन? यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट मिल्क देयर बिकॉज वो पेट्रोल पंप की दुकान है, राइट? अगर आपको मिल्क लेना है तो आपको मिल्क शॉप पे जाना पड़ेगा. सेम वे, सिमिलरली ह्यूमन बीइंग क्या करते हैं, उनको जिंदगी से बहुत कुछ चाहिए, उनको जिंदगी से बहुत ज्यादा चाहिए, लेकिन वो है कौन सी दुनिया में? स्कैरसिटी की दुनिया में. अगर आपको जिंदगी से बहुत ज्यादा चाहिए, बहुत ज्यादा पैसा चाहिए, बहुत ज्यादा सक्सेस चाहिए, बहुत ज्यादा नाम चाहिए, बहुत ज्यादा टाइम फ्रीडम चाहिए, बहुत ज्यादा हैप्पीनेस चाहिए, वॉट एवर यू वांट, देन यू हैव टू बी लिव इन द लाइफ ऑफ अबंडेंस. आपको अबंडेंस के सर्कल में जीना होगा, एंड दैट्स हाउ वेयर ह्यूमन बीइंग, स्पेशली एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, मिस द बस.
Yes, that is simply amazing, and thank you, sir, for sharing that. Now, please tell us about how many members have you have been impacted by your club, and please share some stories of the who have who have successfully achieved better returns from joining the Progress Club.
Right. So, as I already shared with you, that we have contributed directly and indirectly to 23 lakh entrepreneurs and people this year only. 23 लाख लोगों को हमने डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली इस साल कंट्रीब्यूट किया है. And as I said you, we contribute to different areas of their businesses in life. Say for example, sales. So we have our entrepreneur जिसके बिजनेस में हमने 300% का ग्रोथ इस साल किया है. 300%. One of our entrepreneur who is running a business of pillow manufacturing, we have grew its sales by 300%. Similarly, जैसे मैंने आपको पेमेंट कलेक्शन का एरिया बताया, सो वी हैव आवर एंटरप्रेन्योर्स जिनके बिजनेसेस के अंदर हमने 5-5 साल पुराना जो पेमेंट बाकी था, जो कस्टमर से नहीं आ रहा था, वी हैव बीन एबल टू कॉज अ ब्रेक थ्रू इन दोज एरियाज. सिमिलरली, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, वी ऑल्सो कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट टू डील विथ लोन्स एंड इंस्टॉलमेंट्स ऑफ एन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स. तो वी हैव repaid 100 crores of loan of 137 people. 137 लोगों के एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के 100 करोड़ से ज्यादा का लोन हमने पे किया है. सिमिलरली, वी हैव contributed to 152 entrepreneurs in growing their sales. We have contributed to 40 couples of our club in having next level of relationship with their spouses. We have contributed to 160 couples and approximately 800 peoples of our club in having next level of relationship with their kids. We have contributed to 2,000 staff members of different 120 businesses of our clubs in having next level of effectiveness for their staff members. So that's how we contributed in different areas. What we do in Progress Club is we have our meetings in which the entrepreneur talks about the area of the life, area of the business which he is struggling. We work with him one-to-one, and also we work in groups. We take separate initiatives which we call our programs. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल, अगर 1000 एंटरप्रेन्योर्स है, अब 1000 एंटरप्रेन्योर्स में से सबको तो पेमेंट के इश्यू नहीं होंगे. So we create an initiative of payment collection. उसमें जिन जिन लोगों को पेमेंट कलेक्शन के इश्यूज होते हैं उसको हम इनवाइट करते हैं. We create a structure से फॉर अभी जैसे कि उसका स्ट्रक्चर है कि हम लोग हर 15 दिन से 3 घंटे का जूम कॉल रखते हैं. And those of the entrepreneurs who are dealing into payment collection issues, they can join. And once they join in these sessions, we train them, we work with them how to be effective in demanding money from their customers, such that relationship with the customer is also maintained and the business is also not lose and the payment is also received. That's how we create structures for working with different एरियाज ऑफ एंटरप्रेनर्स. इसी तरीके से अगर हमको लगता है कि साहब एंटरप्रेनर्स को सेल्स का बेसिक इशू होता है, देन वी अगेन मेक अ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सेल्स ग्रोथ. वी विल कॉल इट बेचना आसान है. उसके अंदर उन लोगों को हम लोग लेंगे जिन लोगों को सेल्स के मेजर इशू है. इसी तरीके से हम फिर से एक स्ट्रक्चर बनाएंगे जिसमें वैसे लोगों को लेंगे जिनको स्टेज फियर है, जिनको डिसीजन मेकिंग का प्रॉब्लम है, जिनको डर लगता है बिजनेस में ग्रो करने में. एंड वी विल मेक अ स्ट्रक्चर एंड कॉल्ड इट मैजिक. सिमिलरली अगर हस्बैंड वाइफ के रिलेशनशिप के ऊपर काम करना है तो हम लोग एक स्ट्रक्चर बनाएंगे जिसको हम बोलते हैं बिकॉज आई लव यू. सेम वे अगर आप लोन्स और बैंकों के हफ्ते के चक्कर में पड़ गए, आप कर्ज में डूब गए हैं, तो वी क्रिएट अ स्ट्रक्चर कॉल्ड भरोसा है तो मुमकिन है. This is how we create different structures, enroll our entrepreneurs in participating those structures, and then create breakthrough results for them.
Yes, sir. Well, that is a very interesting initiative you got. It's like a win-win situation. Sir, can I ask a personal question? Can I join
Yes,
your
yes.
Progress Club? Can I join Progress Club?
So anyone,
Man or entrepreneur.
Yes.
It can be of any
Yes.
age.
anyone, anyone who is an entrepreneur. That's it. The only criteria for being a member of Progress Club is he has to be having his own business. That's it. He has to be a person who is a risk taker. That's it. We have doctors who are doing their own practices. We have chartered accountants. We have architects. We have self-employed. We have people from software industries. We have people from education. We have textile people. We have people from retail segments also. We have people who are doing online businesses. Everyone, anyone from the world who is doing his own business can join.
Yes, sir. But please tell me, how can a person contact you to join Progress Club? If any
Yeah.
of my viewers wants to join.
Yeah. So we have our own website www.progressclub.surat.in. We have our Facebook page. We have our YouTube channel, and we have our own mobile application progressclubsurat.in. We have our mobile application. If you search Progress Club Surat, you will get the mobile application also. And basically,
Thank you, sir.
yeah. So one thing I would like to mention to our viewers are that if this possibility of Let's Grow Together inspires you, if you want to know more about Progress Club, you have to attend our meeting as a guest. You cannot be a member directly. You have to attend 3 meetings as a guest. And the reason to have these 3 meetings is कि आप अपने लिए श्योर हो जाइए, आप अपने लिए क्लियर हो जाइए कि ये प्रोग्रेस क्लब मेरे काम की चीज है या नहीं है. बिकॉज वी ऑलवेज से वी आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन योर मनी, वी आर इंटरेस्टेड इन योर लाइफ. सो वी इनवाइट आवर गेस्ट फॉर 3 times. Once they are clear that this is the life they want to have, and then they can become the member.
Yes, sir. So that's how we can join. And thank you, sir, for sharing that. And please tell us about the books. Which are your favorite books which impacted you the most in your life?
Yeah. So my favorite subject is leadership. Leadership is my favorite subject. When I was in business, I always used to think how and what is a businessman up to. अगर मैं मेरे लिए काम कर रहा हूं, अगर मैं मेरा पेट पाल रहा हूं, then I am not doing business, then I am doing survival. So from since then, I always used to think of leadership, think of creating leaders. I would like to share here that these 1,000 entrepreneurs and 10 clubs are managed and taken care by 45 plus leaders. These 45 plus leaders are also successful businesses of different areas, and I used to train and work with those leaders. So that's how I work. The favorite books are so many. There are principles of leadership. There are so many books which are common. Ikigai is
Yes.
one of my favorite book. The Magic Man of the Moment, written on Mr. Narendra Modi's life. That's my favorite book. Ratan Tata's biography is also one of my favorite. One of the favorite.
Yes, sir.
That's how I used to read people who has created leadership in this world.
But yes, sir. I understand. And can you please define success? What is success in your point of view, and what is the basic principle of living life? Since you have touched upon so many people's lives.
Yeah. So for me, success is not definitely turnover. Success is not definitely the amount of bank balance you have. Success is not the size of the house you live in. And definitely, success is not the model of the car which you drive through. Success for me is determined basically from two perspectives. One of the perspective is if you are clear for your purpose of life, who you are, what you are up to, आप कौन हो और आप किस पर्पस के लिए इस धरती पे आए हो. If you get to clear for yourself, I think you are on the runway of success. That's the one aspect I think. And the second aspect is आप अगर वो काम कर रहे हो जो आप हमेशा से करना चाहते थे, अगर आप वो बन गए हो जो आप हमेशा से बनना चाहते थे. I will articulate it for English for the viewers. If you have become the kind of human being you always wanted to be, if you are doing the things which you was always wanted to be, then I think you are successful. अगर आप वो चीजें कर रहे हो जो आप हमेशा से जिंदगी में करना चाहते थे, then you are successful.
Thank you, sir. That was really deep and enriching. Last, sir, please advise two people whom you would like to see and learn from on this show.
So I have my virtual team from which I get inspired. जैसे कि हमारे पास फ्रेंड्स की एक टीम होती है, वैसे ही मेरे पास दुकान पे एक टीम है, वैसे ही मेरे पास एक वर्चुअल टीम है. आई ऑलवेज टॉक टू दैट वर्चुअल टीम. There are 7 people in that virtual team which I would like to see on this show. One is Amitabh Bachchan, and I am really inspired by the attitude of that human being. हमेशा ground to earth zero पे रहते हैं. That's the attitude of Amitabh Bachchan, which I really get inspired as a human being. The second one is our Prime Minister Modi ji. The thing which I get inspired is the lot of hard work which he does for 130 crore people. जितना hard work वो करते हैं, it is really inspiring. The third person is Mr. Ratan Tata. I really love and inspired Ratan Tata for his ethics. They never compromise with their ethics. Next is Michael Jordan. How to make a comeback from the failures that one can learn from is Michael Jordan. And the next one is Michael Phelps, breaking his own records. These are the people I would like to have to learn from, and I would love to have those people on the show.
Yes, sir. Thank you for sharing that. And please tell us about your role models from whom you have been inspired the most.
So these are the role models, and one name addition
Same.
to that is my father.
Yes.
That's one of the first and the foremost person in this planet who is my role model. the kind of hard work, the kind of sacrifices, the kind of struggle he had in his life, I always get inspired from that. I
Thank you,
got my
sir.
principles of life. I got my principles of life from him only in the very early part of my life. Honesty, simplicity, and hard work. These were the three principles which worked for my life. These are given from my father only.
Thank you, sir. That was really good. And sir, lastly, I hope you enjoyed the show. Please advise what unique thing you have liked about Aditya Talks and any suggestions which should be incorporated to improve the experience.
So as of now, I loved this activity which was done with you. It was really enjoying activity for me on this Sunday evening. And so far, I would like to just acknowledge you, just appreciate you, just give you my best wishes for the work you are doing, the kind of initiative you are taking. You at this age of life, taking these initiatives is really beyond imagination. The kind
Thank you,
of
sir.
clarity you have, the kind of attitude of learning you have is not ordinary. It's not ordinary. I'm
Yes,
really
sir.
inspired, touch moved, and inspired by the way you are living your life, the way you are creating these kind of things. Wonderful.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming on the show. I learned a lot today. I hope my viewers you also learned a lot today. And thank you for watching till the end because I appreciate it. And also like hit the like button to support sir and hit the subscribe button to support me. And write your views, your thoughts down in the comment below so we can understand more from your experiences. Thank you, my viewers, for watching till the end. Thank you, sir, for coming on the show. It was really an honor.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me and giving me this opportunity to talk to you. Thank you.